Hello, AP CSP classes. Today is Monday, April 6th, and this is Mr. O'Neill. I just want to give you guys a little update about class and our schedule for the coming 2 weeks. Okay. So if you guys didn't see my announcement from Thursday, I gave a lot of information about how we're going to be wrapping up the third quarter and what you guys should be working on moving forward. I did a huge grade update this weekend. So you guys should have basically every single thing that I have in the grade book right now. That's everything except for the last unit test, which I'll hopefully be putting in this week, early this week. And the last outstanding assignment, which is your practice performance task on your data innovation. Okay. So the practice performance task on the data innovation, that's going to be the only outstanding grade, only thing that will still be submitted, and new grade that's going on to the quarter for you guys. So you have 3 days to work on this this week. It is due Tuesday of next week. I think that's the 14th or the 13th. I did say that date in my previous announcement, so double check there, please. After that, you guys just have the late time to turn in that performance task. Again, please do everything in your power to get that in by the due date. That way, we can give you guys detailed feedback and make sure you're ready to do the actual performance task, which is now a huge chunk of your AP test. Okay. So I'm gonna pull this up on my phone real quick, but hopefully you guys have seen it. Miss Bolden sent a message to the community over the weekend, kind of laying out a schedule for how we're going to be operating moving forward. So this is kind of what we're looking at week to week, guys. On Monday and Tuesday, it's broken up times for presenting new information and instructional time. Then we have office hour time to answer questions and help students on Wednesday and Thursday, and then Friday is kind of a catch up day to get everybody pretty much on the same page before the end of the week. So since we do kind of have a tentative, or not tentative, but a partial spring break in here for this week and next week, we're looking at today just being a day of sharing information about wrapping up marking period 3. Then Tuesday and Wednesday of this week are just going to be office hours because there's no instruction this week. And then we're going to kind of get back to things on a more regular schedule the following week after our shortened spring break. Okay. So you guys can see those dates. And again, Miss Bolden sent this out to the community. So if you don't have it, your parents should have it. So that's a little update for you guys. Okay. So in terms of you guys getting in touch with me for office hour help and stuff like that, there have been some issues that have come up with using Zoom for office hour help. MCPS has said so far that they don't want students and teachers one-on-one in Zoom meetings together for privacy issues. There's also been a lot of like usage concerns that have come up. So right now for my office hours, that's just going to be through email, guys. If you have a question, please just email it to me and I will get back to you as soon as I possibly can. Do be aware that if I get flooded with like 50 emails right at the start of my office hours, it might still take me a little time to get back to you. Okay. So you guys can still email me at any time and I'll try and get back to you within 24 hours during the week. I'm not as responsive over the weekend. But if you guys do email me, I'll try and get back as soon as possible. So hopefully you guys don't have that many questions about what you should be doing in these 3 days this week and the 4 days next week. If you do have questions, please look back at the announcement from Thursday of last week. That kind of goes over all that information in detail. But you guys are essentially just wrapping up the not the create, the practice performance task for the explore performance task. And that was the one on data innovations. That information is posted on Classroom. So that is due Tuesday of next week, which would be our first day back from our shortened spring break. And the deadline for that is Friday. Again, the sooner you guys get that in, the more detailed feedback we can give you guys to set you up and make sure you're going to be successful for the actual performance task. So that's it for me for today, guys. Since tomorrow's office hours, I probably won't be posting a new video announcement. You guys should just keep plugging along and doing your work. And if you have any questions, please email me and I'll get back to you as soon as you can. All right, guys, have a good day and I will talk to you later.